Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from May 18th through the 24th. And what we're going to be doing today is another classic movie, Double Indemnity, starring Fred MacMurray and Barbara Stanwyck. It is such a good black and white movie. So this is the paper that I've chosen because it reminds me of Barbara Stanwyck. She's very wealthy and very temptress, okay? So she's very bold. So that reminds me of her. And then Fred MacMurray, plays an insurance salesman, all right? And then I chose this washi to go with it because, like I said, she's very wealthy. I hope I have enough washi to finish this spread with. And then a red just Papermate pen because this is a murder. So I thought that would be good. And I made my own stickers with my Cricut. So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I'm glad that you all enjoyed the Sorry Wrong Number theme I did last week. It's a good movie as well. Okay, I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread because, like I said, Barbara Stanwyck plays a very wealthy woman that married a man that was in the oil business, and she had nursed his wife when she became ill, but later you find out she may have helped kill his wife. And then Fred MacMurray plays an insurance salesman that she gets to try to sell her husband a $50,000 double indemnity insurance policy. And I picked this paper because it reminds me of just insurance policies and all the writing and things like that. Okay, let's start putting our paper down like we want it. And Maggie has decided she wants to come in here and get into things. I think I'll put that one down there and this one up here since I have that reddish pink there. Okay, let's go ahead and glue our paper down. And I got this paper, I'm not sure, I've had this a long time. I think this came from Joann's that I got on sale. And the washi came from a tube from Michael's. And it was double-sided paper, as you can see. That's pretty. Okay, I think that looks really cute. Okay, let's go ahead and put our washi down. Like I said, I chose this because she is very wealthy, but she is very much a temptress. She pretends that she, is just ignored and unloved, but really I don't think she is. Okay, then we'll go right down through here with it. Okay, I like how that's turning out. Okay, we'll put our washi right over here. It's going to be close, but I think I'm going to have enough. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, wait. Okay, it just broke. I do have enough. It'll probably do it for this washing. No, I actually have a little bit more left. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. Here is what the DVD looks like, Double Indemnity. And I'm going to put that right here. And I like how that red plays off of that, those flowers. And it starts off by, he shows up at her house to sell her husband, renew his car insurance. Well, he falls for Barbara Stanwyck immediately. So she talks him into actually, after about the third visit, killing her husband. Here she is. Here's Barbara Stanwyck at Fred McMurray's apartment. And her husband has just been killed. Okay, and what he does is he dresses up like, Fred McMurray dresses up like her husband and takes a train. And her husband has a broken leg. So he pretends that he's the husband. And then he jumps off the train. And previous to this, he has killed the husband. But I won't tell you how because I don't want to ruin it for you. Okay? And then it all comes down, well, will they be caught or not? Okay? And they have to start meeting in this like a grocery store, and here they are meeting because they're being watched because Edward G. Robinson stars in this, and he's like the adjuster that makes sure that it's on the up and up, and that the double indemnity wasn't murder or anything. And he works with Fred McMurray, and Fred knows that he is going to be a very big stickler and usually catches a lot of the crimes. So he knows they're being watched. Here she's calling him at the office while Edward G. Robinson is there. And he's telling her, you can't do that anymore. We're going to get caught. And he's pretending like it's just somebody that he knows or a wrong number. Okay? And then here, he is in the office late one night, and he goes to Edward G. Robinson's office, and on his dictaphone, he finds out that he thinks that it's murder, okay? So I won't tell you how this ends. It's a really good movie, Let me just write a few things down that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I really think it gives a good feel for the movie. If I'd gone to Michael's, I think I could have gotten more dramatic paper, but I really didn't want to go out. But I love this. I think that the paper gives a good feel for the movie. This washi really gives a good feel for her. And it's a wonderful movie, and I love these stickers that I made. So I'll see you on Friday for probably another Dollar Tree DIY, or it may be a haul. I haven't decided yet. And then today I've uploaded another Dollar Tree DIY, and I hope you love it. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a part of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss an upload. So until next time, guys, bye.